Okay, so let's get into the nitty-gritty of where we begin with preventative maintenance, no matter which power supply you have. So the first thing I do when I do this is I take all the panels, the sheet metal covers off the power supply and blow out the dust. These machines live in dusty environments. There's no other way to say it. Plasma cutting in general creates a lot of metal dust, puts it in the air. These also live in production environments where you have a lot of fabricators, maybe grinding and doing weld prep on steel to remove the mill scale off the steel, might be welding close by, and it's just a dirty environment. The power supplies use cooling fans to blow air through the cabinets to keep them cool. So we're blowing air across heat exchangers and through the magnetics to keep them cool. It's natural for that metal dust to migrate in and accumulate on surfaces inside the power supply, and they should be blown out periodically. You don't have to wait for your annual preventative maintenance, or sooner than that if you're on a 3-shift-a-day operation. You can, depending on the cleanliness of the environment, you can take the covers off and blow it out whenever you like. It's free. It's easy to do. To do this, you're going to take the sheet metal covers off the power supply and use shop air to blow out the machine. So we want to pay special attention to ensure that the heat exchangers are blown clear. In this picture in particular, it's an HPR 400. And the choppers on this power supply are air cooled. They've got 2 fans per chopper to blow across those aluminum heat sinks. And you can blow air straight down through and ensure that those fins are clear of dust. A little word about the circuit boards. We want to blow the circuit boards off inside the machine. They have a lot of diagnostic LEDs on them that are very useful for diagnosing a machine when it has trouble. For example, trying to see if a start LED is coming on or if a hold LED is coming on, etc. And we want to be able to read those boards. We want to be able to read the printing on the boards to see which LED happens to be lit or not lit. And to do that, we want to keep the dust blown off of them. We want to be very careful not to get too close to the boards with shop air. We don't want to blow off any chips or other board components and damage them. We're trying to make this better, not worse. Another word about the dust. Blowing out the machine will put a lot of dust in the air. It's a really good idea to wear a mask to prevent breathing in that dust, and also let your friends on the floor know that you're about to do this. They might want to go, have a coffee break until the dust settles down.